Hi there, so today is the 22nd of December, it is 6:12, and unlike yesterday, which was very cold, and I overslept, and had to walk in that cold, it was -3, it's much more reasonable. It's 5 degrees, so the temperature is dropping, so, okay. Now, yesterday I was meant to shoot a sort of how to shoot in low light conditions, aka night, with a DSLR, handheld without a tripod, and it didn't work, and sorry, I didn't record it, and now I have to do it some another time, maybe Friday, not sure. So now I said what I'm going to do, and I said what it was, and I have to go to my, what's it called, orthodontist, not sure how it's in English, but yep, if you listen to me from previous time, it is almost my 4th year now. It will be in January, so yep, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I hung out with Helmet Kill yesterday, so I didn't get any clips, but we were playing Angry Birds quite, yeah, you get it. We're getting all 3 stars in all levels. Yeah, that's what we were doing. So yeah, that lets you know that I am alive, I am posting videos, I am trying to do the best I can. So yeah, this is what I can do. So, shooting DSLR, at night handheld, what will it do basically? Well, I will talk about, what equipment you need, sort of lenses basically, how to set up your aperture and shutter speed and ISO, all that good stuff, sort of digital ref style. Yep, so that's it for me today in the morning, because I have to prepare myself for some other things. But yeah, let's see the moon, because that's interesting. Okay, let me just go here. Can you see? It's gone. Damn it, it was here like 5 minutes ago. That one is sneaky. Let's see. Come on. Let's see the outside anyway. So, yep. But the moon is not here anymore. I said, oh, let's show the moon because that's interesting, and it's gone. Don't know what happened. Okay, so yep, now I'll leave you guys to rest, and I'll see you tomorrow or someday soon, I guess. So bye.